What are your three takeaways?
Three. Okay. So the first is that if you are listening this kind of podcast, if you are listening this kind of yes of content, is because you are looking for be more proactive in the things that you want to do, or you are trying to be update in all the topics. Try to connect with people worldwide, try to find more and more information and to compare what is in the internet, not to believe in everything, but compare and have like your own knowledge. Another thing is that we understand that the healthcare market is growing and we understand that we need more resources and more development. So if you like this kind of topics and if you like this kind of ideas, all the new people or the people that wants to join us in this kind of solutions are welcome, and in all of the fields. As I mentioned, the medical image, the 3D reconstruction, or the designs or the 3D printing. So you are welcome in any of the fields. And the last one can be, yes, like for the education, try to, it's more like a recommendation not to follow only what you are learning in a university. Try to move forward on that. And for the healthcare system to really understand that we need more patient-specific solutions. Something that can help, can be more cost-effective for the system itself, because you are avoiding a second, a third surgery. You are avoiding time consuming in the OR. You are really, really doing savings. So try to understand that and to move forward in this revolution.
Perfect.
Yeah. And where can our audience find you? Like social media or websites?
Yeah, I will promote the company because it's where I'm more active right now. So you can find us mostly in LinkedIn as TechFit Digital Surgery. And if you Google that in Google, sorry, if you Google that, you will find us also is TechFit-DS, or in Facebook or in Instagram is TechFit Digital Surgery. And we are growing also in this education network because we really understand that it's something that is missing right now.